we're going to create an Oracle account. We just need to go to signon.oracle.com. We need to create an Oracle account for us to be able to download software from Oracle. Like for example, if I want to download the Oracle Database 26 AI for Linux and I wanted to download the zip file, if you click that one, it will ask for your Oracle account. So that is what we're going to do. Just click the create account and then it will ask you for some information. I'm going to use this email to create this account and then just input your password, country, first name, last name, job title, work phone, company name, address. In my case, I will just put NA for the company name and address. And then after that, just input your city, state, province, zip, or postal code. And then click the create account. After that, it will ask you to check your email, your Oracle account, verify your email address. Then just click verify email address. After that, you will receive success. Your account is ready to use. And then we can go ahead and continue. If I go back to the Oracle Database Enterprise Edition download page, I can now download the zip file. I'll just log in using the account that I just created, password. And then if this is the first time that you're logging in to download software, then you'll need to like set up your FMA. I have the Oracle Mobile Authenticator. You can download it in the Play Store. Okay, so for this one, open the authenticator that you downloaded and then click the plus sign. Then use the QR code from the Oracle website. And then as you can see here, my phone is now enrolled successfully. Just click continue. And now I'm able to download the software that I needed. So that is how you create an Oracle account to download software from Oracle website.